Tesla revealed Giga Berlin's press specs, revealing materials that are unloaded on the sides, and I'm going to tell you in this video how things are going, what is happening today, and where Tesla is building what in the vicinity of Giga Berlin. I have very interesting good video from our friends Tobias Lindh. Some areas of the video are highlighted, overlaid with colors. Please look at that because I'm going to highlight that video in this report, especially after my talk. Continue watching, and this is going to be really interesting report. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harayan from torquenews.com. If you are here for the first time, please subscribe to my channel and ring the bell so you may be notified when I upload our next story. Tesla Gigafactory Berlin's construction is moving forward at a steady pace, and more materials are being unloaded on site. Giga Berlin may receive approval to start building the Model Y factory soon, especially considering that the specs for Tesla's bespoke Giga Press machines for the Model Y's underbody casting were revealed at revised application. The Model Y factory is scheduled to start production by July 2021 or even earlier. By the current pace Giga Berlin is moving with production, the Model Y factory could be ready to start operations by Tesla's estimated date. Just recently, drone operator, our friend Jürgen, posted on Twitter that Giga Berlin workers have begun unloading reinforced concrete floor delivery by trains on site. Just a couple of weeks ago, gravel was being poured on the ground, and now reinforced concrete floors could be laid down soon. According to those in the industry, reinforced concrete floors are sturdy and can be resistant to cracking, bending, and any damage caused over the time. Steel bars provide support to reinforced concrete floors, making them durable. Because reinforced concrete is fortified by steel bars, they are capable of carrying more weight, which Tesla may have considered necessary in the Germany-based Model Y factory. Tesla decided to order an aluminum die casting machine for the Model Y's rear underbody, allowing it to be produced in a singular piece instead of two separate pieces. According to documents about Giga Berlin, Tesla plans to place a total of 8 die casting machines in its designated casting area. The electric vehicle automaker made sure that to leave ample space for the 8 machines. Based on the previous Tasmanian report, the machines mentioned in Tesla's documents are more likely IDRA Group's OL 6100 CS Giga Press, which want modified with specifications from electric vehicle automaker. Giga Berlin documents may have revealed some of the specifications of Tesla's OL and other details as well. A local observer of Giga Berlin, our friend Tobias, was kind enough to provide a translation of the 8 machines Tesla described. There are 8 die casting machines with a maximum operating capacity of 73.1 TD per machine. The maximum total capacity is 213,474 T a year. Read the document Tobias presented, and I will have the link to the documents in the description of this video. The documents also explained other materials the die-cast machines would need. The following chemicals are required for each aluminum casting: die-casting release agent, tip lubricant, and more. The emissions are released into the general operating room. Ultimately, they are extracted by ventilation fans on the roof. The documents also revealed how the die-cast machines worked. Having 8 die-cast machines shows how serious Tesla is in reaching its 100,000 cars per year vehicle production goals in Giga Berlin's first year. As more details come to light about Tesla's Model Y factory, it's become more apparent that Giga Berlin is not vaporware as suggested by the company's critics. Instead, it is something very, very tangible and something that could be very disruptive. Friends, continue watching because you will see what Tobias has done. I'm going to show you the highlighted areas of his video. This is going to be very interesting. You can see in which part of Giga Berlin's property Tesla is building which buildings. Tobias, thank you very much for these highlighted videos, and as well as our friend Jürgen and everyone who have sent me these materials. And have a wonderful day. God bless you, everyone, and keep watching. This is very interesting. In the meantime, this is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for more, as we're going to, with the help of our local friends, and chronicle Tesla Giga Berlin as often as possible, at least 5 times a week. Have a great day and keep watching the highlighted areas of Giga Berlin. See you soon.